现在就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hi there, I'm Joseph Lin. We got another Hakka song for you here on ICRT. And this is Huang Weijie with a song called Qim Yi, which means to search for him or to search for something in general. Now, he's writing the song about how people are all connected, and sometimes we need to be humble and be more caring to one another in order to make every moment better and bring good karma back onto ourselves. Let's take a listen to Qim Yi here on ICRT.
阿贵哥已經溫好衫褲，準備食材，愛出發去尋伊。阿明啊，甲因某已經換好衫，準備要出發去找伊。金琼汉先生心里带着赶去搭车，阿福从台东坐上了火车，沿途想起少年时遗海回家，那时受到大父很多的照顾啊。阿雄诶，已经伫个路风，是啊，就会倒诶，是就会倒诶，去亲伊们的工厂难得放假，经过大家眼神交汇，点了点头，继续前往车站。
这首黄伟杰的《请移群》，它有好多去车站的情节哦，包括阿福从台东坐火车，然后还有伊曼因为工厂放假，他前往车站，以及刚刚可能听到阿弟姑啊要到台北准备坐车了哦。这首歌其实在描述我们人跟人之间有很多微妙的关系，所以对待我们周围的人事物啊，都应该要心怀谦卑，善待彼此。Well, there you have it, a song by 黄伟杰 called 请移。Hope you like it, and we'll see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.